pupunta ako sa port ngayon. Yan. Ayun yung mga small boat namin. Naka-anchorage. Naka-anchorahe yung ano namin. Mothership. So, sumakay ako ng boat papunta ng Alaska. Naka-anchorahe kami. Yung mothership. Malamig tsaka maulan. Hindi naman ulan, ambon lang. Katabi ko si Princess ngayon, Holland, America.
May princess din yun. May princess din. Yung princess din yun.
I'm not going to go down. You gotta tell them they gotta no, they have to get off right away or we could have got off early like we did. Okay, so before, okay, so they have to make
May mothership, Carnival Miracle. Today is August 1, 2024. Yan, here at Juneau, Alaska. Ang gaganda ng mga bahay dun sa gilid ng bundok. Pero medyo maambon, maulan talaga, promise.
they make us come out over here because of the overflow. Yeah, but we were already parked. Why didn't
Yeah.
they?
Baba.
We were